Greetings, my name is Keisha, and I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida, Zone 11. It is overcast. It's supposed to rain in like 15 minutes. I ordered a Starfruit tree. My son's been wanting Starfruit for a very long time. I have been looking for one for a while. They actually kind of hard to find in person where I live, like right around my house. But there's a nursery not too far away in Homestead, and they had one. But the times when they're actually open during the week, I'm unable to go because I work during the daytime, and then they are closed on the weekends. So they had shipping that wasn't that unreasonably priced, maybe because I'm like kind of local to them. But anyway, I ordered a Starfruit tree, and then I was about to check out, and I was like, what else do they have? So I added mulberries. So a while ago, I think I may have talked about how I wanted to get like different varieties of berries and different varieties of fruit. So these are 2 small trees. They arrived today. As you can see, I'm still in my work clothes, but I want to go ahead and get them out of this box before the rain comes. So hopefully the rain will help them kind of get settled in.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman close so.
I actually do not have a container for them, but I have, I'll move this plant out of here. I have 2 of these up here on my front porch. I'm going to put these trees for now into here, and I have another one back here, and I have some soil here. This would not be my final potting mix for my plants. However, it'll get them out of here, and I can go ahead on and get them some water, some nutrients and things going until I have a permanent or semi-permanent space for them. Okay, let me stop talking and get to work before this rain comes down. Let me go ahead and unbox them. Just so you know, they do have the fragile, please handle with care. Also, the nematode warning. They are from Everglades Farms. The packaging, which is the inside of the packaging. Okay. They are inside of here like this. Okay. They have a little cardboard in the middle of them. And mine came with soil. So I do not know if you live outside of the Florida area, if yours will come bare root or with soil, but mine are packaged actually very nicely. So this is the mulberry, I'm sure, because of the leaves look like a blueberry, raspberry, not blueberry, a raspberry, blackberry type feel. And then this right here is a Starfruit. You see the leaves are like compressed. This is what they do, and they're supposed to be like a touch sensitive, I believe. So they are a little dry, which is expected. It's a Dwarf Everbearing Mulberry, and this is an Arkin Starfruit Carambola. Let me open them up. I have soil. I'm going to go ahead on. I'm going to actually put a little piece of this cardboard inside of the bottom of this, just for now, because they need to kind of soak in some water to help hydrate them. Do it like this. I don't want my water to escape too fast. Put it down there like that. I started my clean out up here, but I hadn't finished it. I need to go and pot these up and some other things up here. But that's all for another day, not for right now. had some sand for this project. I purchased I had sand from my son's project, and I was planning on using the rest of it in my garden, like for these containers and things. When I went to go get it, my husband had used it for himself. So I will be coming back in here and adding in some sand to this mixture. No, I'm not wearing gloves. This is supposed to be a 1 to 2 foot, 1 gallon. I think it's about the right height. There are some weeds growing in the plant already. Let's take those off. I'm trying to go real quick, real fast. The wind is picking up. That means the rain is coming. Container is actually, I think, a good size for the next. I might leave it in here until the end of the summer, maybe the fall, because it wasn't root bound at all in the container. Okay, I don't want to put it too high above the little tree itself. This is a grafted tree. On to the next. More. This should really be like equal parts soil and sand, if not more sand than soil, because the native habitat for a starfruit would be like sandy soils. So this right here would probably be too thick for it, but I can go back and add in no more sand, a little bit of space. Not too much, just a little bit, so I can add in some sand, and I'll re-amend it, everything I need for it later. Try it now. It's good. Those weeds. I'm gonna try. Tease the bottom. Just kind of help loosen those. We'll see if it makes a difference. So I can get my hands on another mulberry plant if I need to. Relatively easy in comparison to the Starfruit. And just like all of my plants, my trees, it's going to stay in a container I will get a larger container for it later. But for right now, it's going to be into the home. It should be good in here for a while though. Alright. So like that, I am finished. Change my clothes now. Y'all, that's it. I have 2 plants. Ooh, that a raindrop? That was a raindrop, which means I need to go inside for it pours. Okay, I push that stick down into my container. I'm going to leave this out here. Leave it right here on the front, matter of fact. I want to put it, I think, put it in this corner, maybe. I think I saw this. Put it like this. Put one right there. And put one right here. Like that. They are complete.
There's so much ways we don't